Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're going to see me testing out two concealers. I'm not wearing either one of this in this intro, but you are going to see me testing out two concealers. The Born This Way concealer and also the Dior. Do I like either of these? Let's get into the video. Born This Way concealer. Now this is a multi-use sculpting concealer, so you can use it not only under your eyes but your face, but I specifically got this for under the eyes. So I've already tested it. I know how I feel, but I'm going to share it with you guys, okay? This is in the color Vanilla, by the way, and it has a little bit of a sort of a peachy undertone. Doesn't look like it in here, but you can kind of see, okay? And I like that for under my eyes. I'm going to go ahead. You guys know how I do it. I don't just put this on. I'm going to apply this. Looking in my mirror here, I'm going to apply this. And then we're going to blend it out. My concealer brush that I have that I got with my Holy Grail concealer. And I'm going to put this side by side to my Holy Grail, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. Hopefully I didn't get too much. I'm going to be testing out a lot. If there's some other ones that I'm testing out right now too, you're going to see videos. I have other ones that I'm going to be sharing and reviewing for you guys. Because I feel like concealer is one of those things that is the most difficult for us mature ladies. So that is that. And I am going to powder it. And I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury. That's what I use. Okay, I'm going to do the smile test. And it's already greasing. I'm going to shoot close up. Let's just leave it. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my Holy Grail on the other eye so we can compare, okay? My Holy Grail is from Sicily soon. So I'm going to put this right there, my inner corner. And then whatever I have left, I just put on under there. Now, look at the difference between this side and that side. I'm going to put the powder on because that's what I do. Okay. Now, both sides. So this side is that's the Born This Way, and that side is my Sicily. Now I have been wearing this. I've worn this several times already, so I know how this works. As the day goes on, this one just starts to crease on me. This one starts to crease on me. So, and it actually looks a little bit drying too. It looks a little bit drying and it creases on me. So this one was a total fail for me. I have not tried it on my face, but since I specifically purchased it to use under my eyes, it's a no for me. The next concealer that I'm going to show you is the one from Dior. So I'm going to keep my Holy Grail on that side, and we're going to do this side. So this is the Dior Forever Skin Concealer. So this was another one that was recommended to me from somebody that's much younger than me. It's in the color 1CR. Okay. So this one has similar applicator. These things are so huge. One thing I have not tested either one of these for, because again, I bought this for under the eyes, is I have not tested this on my face. I don't know if I'm going to keep it for that because I really just got it for under eyes. I feel like I have so many concealers that work on, for my face. I'm going to tap this out again. You saw how I applied it. This one just looked really, as the day goes on, this one just looks really drying on me. Even putting it on now, it just looks dry, and I'm just putting it on. It just does not look good. I don't even think it conceals that great either. So that is that. Before I even put my powder on, which I will do. Take my powder. Yeah, I just don't feel like, and I see it already. This is where I start seeing it. And I'm going to zoom you guys way in, and look at this too. I don't like that. Look how messy. I haven't even used it that much, and it's just like one of those that just gets so messy. I'm going to be honest. Anastasia does that too, and that's one thing I don't like about the Anastasia one is it's like that too. It's really messy. This is where, especially, that's where I get really dry, right in there. So as the day goes on, this just looks like it might not look that bad to you right now, but trust me, because I've been testing it out. It just looks drier and drier and drier and drier and drier. It's just another one that doesn't work under my eyes. Let me get the rest of my makeup on. I'll be right back. Unfortunately, these were both a fail for me. I just feel like they both creased on me, and I feel like they both looked really drying on me throughout the day. They just look drier and drier and drier. I've tried them several times. It just didn't work. This one, I know a lot of people said on their face, but I think this will be too dark. I don't know if I want to try it on my face. I don't know. If I do decide to try either one of these on my face, I will share an updated video. I could do that. I might do that. We'll see. If I do, I will share it. But as far as under eyes, I don't like either of these for under the eyes. I'm still sticking with my Holy Grail. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you used either of these and you like them, don't like them, please share in the comments. I always like you guys to have a voice here too. It's not like, I'm not one of those people like, because I say so, that's how it is. No. Sometimes things work for me and they don't work for you and vice versa. And I'd like you guys to have your thoughts here too. So please share it. If you like these concealers, you feel like they're amazing or whatever, please share in the comments, okay? Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.